YouTube's TV interface is designed for what's called a lean-back viewing experience. This means the interface prioritizes passive watching over active interaction, which is why video descriptions aren't immediately visible on your TV screen. For most smart TVs, including Samsung, LG, and Sony models, accessing descriptions follows a similar pattern. First, navigate to the video you want to watch and press the down arrow or select button on your remote control. Next, look for an Info or More Info button on your screen. This is often represented by a lowercase I symbol. Once you find it, select this option to access additional video information. Finally, select Show More or Description to expand and view the full text of the video description. This will display all the details the creator included about their video. Streaming devices have their own specific methods. For Roku devices, press the down arrow on your remote, then select More Info, and finally choose Description to view the full text. On Apple TV, swipe down on the touchpad, select the description area, then press the center button. For Amazon Fire TV, navigate down, select Details, then choose Description. For Chromecast with Google TV, press down on your remote and select the Info icon to view the full description. Many newer TV models also support voice commands like Show Description or More Info for hands-free access. While accessing descriptions on TV requires a few extra steps compared to mobile or desktop, these methods work consistently across different platforms. The key is knowing where to look for the Info button or description option on your specific device. The future of YouTube on TV is rapidly evolving, with enhanced voice integration becoming a game changer. Voice commands like Read Description and Show Video Details are becoming standard across smart TV platforms. YouTube is testing revolutionary AI-generated description summaries specifically designed for TV interfaces. These smart summaries will automatically highlight key information like timestamps, important links, and essential details, with full rollout expected by late 2025. Cross-device synchronization represents a major breakthrough in user experience. You can now seamlessly send description text from your mobile YouTube app directly to your TV screen, creating a unified viewing experience across all your devices. For those who want advanced functionality right now, several methods are already available. You can start videos on your phone and cast to TV while keeping descriptions accessible on mobile, use voice assistant integration, or explore smart remote apps from your TV manufacturer. Looking toward the future, we can expect significant developments by 2026. These include floating description overlays during video playback, gesture-based navigation for premium smart TVs, and integration with smart home ecosystems for enhanced accessibility.